No, but I was looking at mommy how it stays on. She's not working still?
Yeah, okay.
I bet mama got me paying for credit card bills still. She's like, yo te presté 5,000 pesos ahora tú me das nada. I got piece of paper that's attached to this. But I still gave it to her. I did ask me to tell her I got whatever money. I was $50. She was not for it, so I'm like, okay. So here we go. $50 a week. Happy that anything was $600 a month. Take me away from me.
And come on. Go around the other way, the same way you came.
You gotta knock on my door to come in.
Come here.
Not this time. I put a stove up.
No.
Bigger than yours. Like that big. My niece is bad mom and what? She said,
Yeah.
I don't know what you say anyway. What's up, D? What happened to you? Yo, that's remember, what was the name of this place atrás de de la discoteca de la parte de atrás de Blackwood. When you fall off the swing. Yeah, I had that picture. That's funny. I just see this picture. And out of nowhere, I'm like, no, the bartender, because I'm drunk, I'm on the opposite guy, so I don't know first, I'm like, I don't know this. I was on the swing, whatever, and then the bartender's like this. So I'm thinking, okay, so she grabbed my foot, I'm like, all right, the swing stop. So then she let go. She let go, she didn't go forward, she went backward. No, I went forward. Went backward. Went backwards? I thought I went forward because I didn't.
call me up, son. You're at your home, right? I feel that.